Many landowners hold plots that are idle because of high construction costs, lack of utilities, and limited capital, which often leads to underdeveloped land for many years. But idle land does not have to remain a dormant investment, and here are some ways to unlock the potential of your plot even as you wait to make a decision on what you want to do with it. First is fencing it. A proper fence prevents encroachment, illegal dumping, land grabbing, and even potential land disputes. It also makes the plot more attractive to future buyers. 2 is plant commercial trees. Commercial trees such as eucalyptus and bamboos can create income in the future. Commercial trees also improves the appearance and the value of the land. Beyond timber, planting also offers an opportunity to venture into the carbon credit market, where landowners earn income by helping remove carbon from the atmosphere. While most carbon projects require large-scale planting, the growing market means that it can offer you both financial and environmental benefits over the long term. Thirdly, invest in landscaping. Clearing bushes, planting grass, creating pathways, and maintaining the land and attracts buyers or those developers looking for a leasing program. Fourth, you can set up an off-grid vacation rental. If your land is located in a scenic area, consider developing a small off-grid cabin or an A-frame house, which you can rent out for the short term or long term and earn some income monthly. With the growing demand for local travel, this is an opportunity for you to earn some income. Fifth, you can also try farming. For those with larger parcels of land, you can either venture into goat keeping, cow breeding, fodder production, tree farming, and other low maintenance agricultural activities to help generate some returns instead of the land being idle. Sixth, pool resources with your neighbors to bring utilities to the land. One of the main reasons why people still have idle land is because of the lack of utilities. In this case, you can partner with neighbors who own land in the area and combine your resources to bring utilities to the land. This can be utilities such as power or water connections. By having these utilities, the area becomes attractive for potential tenants and developers. Lastly, you can lease the land. So in previous videos, we have talked about how the leasing model works. If you do not intend to sell your land, you can lease it to a developer who can come and build rentals or even undertake agricultural projects in your land as they give you a monthly payment. Let's say you can even lease your land for even 20 years while you receive a monthly payment of about 30 or 50,000 shillings, depending on the size of your land and the agreement that you reach. In most of the lease model cases, we leave for you the structures that they have put in place. Once the lease period comes to an end, you'll find that the person who has developed some of the lease projects can include farming, storage, parking, or even telecommunication infrastructure. Land is often seen as a long-term investment, but that does not mean that it should remain idle or unproductive. Whether through farming, leasing, or landscaping, the ways that we have discussed can help you earn some money, even as you wait to decide on what you want to do with your land. For this and other financial tips, we have a partnership with Lua. Lua is a free AI assistant on WhatsApp that can help you schedule meetings, make meal plans, generate images, and even apply for a business loan from Numida. Visit money254.co.ke to apply for your business loan today.